Get on. How you doing? Yeah. What's going on, man?
What's going on?
I don't know if I caught you yesterday or not.
Yeah, I caught you yesterday.
Okay, well, I
You want to get it again?
I'll get it again. I couldn't remember.
I can't say no. No, 'cause I think I got you too early. I got you in early yesterday, and I forgot my camera up at the hotel somehow.
You got you ready this time, yeah.
All of my this down. We done went through too much. Ain't no way, mama.
I'm telling you, man. I sure appreciate I had to get you again, man.
You want the high note again?
Yeah, let's do it again.
Let's get you that high note.
Yeah. You still got it. Yeah, that's what you want to get it out.
Thank you.
Yeah. You still got AC in this thing, I know.
Oh, yeah, it's a good one. Oh, something different than I played for you yesterday.
Yeah. This thing hold together pretty good, don't
Oh,
it?
yeah. There we go. I'll do 35 plus.
Play everything.
That's what it was built for, so.
Yeah, it's a fourth order, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. Bada bang built.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. It's good thing you get, bro.
We like the party around here.
What's the next show you going to?
I have no idea yet. It's all my work schedule. So.
That's how it is, man. We got to get it in there. I feel the next one, bro.
All right, brother. Nice to meet you.